There it is too. Playing. Every now and then the cat will get him. Dog just begging for her. That there's Champ, by the way, and that right there is Lucifer. It's a fitting name because that cat likes to fight. And it's a fitting dog because that dog likes to antagonize him. Yeah. Right now they're camera shy. They know the camera's on, so they're stop. Oh, yeah. See, you're asking for it. Come on, buddy. Just saying. Why don't you sit here and play in the chair? Oh, not right now. Do animals know when the camera's on or what? Before, there's my boy Dean. There's Tablet. Get him, Louie. We call him Louie for short. Oh, get him. Get him, Louie. Oh, the dog grabs him by his neck, but he don't hurt him none. I hurt him. He ain't hurt him yet. Huh. Oh, got it from behind almost. I think they like it.